There is a cold war happening right now in the world of high-end optics, and most people are looking in the wrong direction. They're looking at drones and mirrorless cameras, while the real revolution is being packed into a device that fits in the palm of your hand. I'm talking about the DJI Osmo Action 7. For years, GoPro was the undisputed king of the mountain, but in the last 24 months, DJI didn't just catch up, they started sprinting. The Action 5 Pro was a warning shot. Action 6 was a declaration of war. But Action 7, this is the machine that aims to make every other action camera on the planet look like a relic from the past. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We have spent weeks digging through patent filings, tracking shipping manifests, and talking to insiders to bring you the first definitive look at the most powerful action camera ever conceived. If you think you've seen stable footage or clear night shots, think again. In this video, you will understand why the Action 7 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reimagining of what a camera can do. This is the 8K, AI-driven future of adventure. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. For a decade, action cameras were limited by their physical size. You can only cram so much light into a tiny sensor, right? Wrong. The Osmo Action 7 is rumored to be the first mass-market action camera to utilize a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor with a variable aperture. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a physics-defying leap. Imagine being able to shoot at f/2.0 in the middle of a forest at midnight, and then having the camera automatically stop down to f/4.0 as you move into the blinding midday sun. This solves the #1 problem with action cameras: blown-out highlights and noisy shadows. This sensor doesn't just record light, it understands it. With over 14 stops of dynamic range, the Action 7 produces images that look less like a vlog and more like a Hollywood feature film. But a big sensor creates a big problem: heat. We've all been there. Right in the middle of a perfect shot, the camera shuts down because it's overheating. DJI's solution for the Action 7 is an active vapor cooling system. It's a technology borrowed from high-end gaming laptops, shrunken down to a microscopic scale. This allows the Action 7 to record in 8K at 60 frames per second indefinitely. No more 10-minute limits. No more cooling down messages. You could mount this to the hood of a car in the Mojave Desert and it will keep rolling until the battery dies. Speaking of 8K, let's talk about why you actually need it. Most people watch YouTube on their phones, so why 8K? Because of the crop. With 8K resolution, you can shoot a wide-angle shot and then, in post-production, zoom in 400% to a perfect 4K close-up without losing a single pixel of detail. The Action 7 transforms one camera into a multicam setup. It gives you the freedom to be messy in the field because you know you have the resolution to fix it in the edit. And for the slow-motion junkies, the Action 7 is pushing the boundaries of time itself. We are looking at 4K at 240 frames per second. That is a 10 times slow motion in ultra-high definition. Imagine a mountain biker jumping over a gap, and you can see every individual grain of dirt flying off the tire in crystal clear 4K. It's not just video, it's art. Now, let's talk about the brain. The Action AI chip inside the Osmo Action 7 is a custom 3-nanometer processor designed specifically for image recognition.